New developments in the Mollie Tibbitts case as a judge denies a motion for prosecutors to turn over more evidence. Christian Rivera's lawyers made the request after two witnesses claimed another man confessed to killing Tibbitts. But the judge denied the motion, calling it, quote, a fishing expedition. Our next guest served as the jury foreman in the trial, delivering the guilty verdict against Rivera in May. Bo Reed joins us now to react. Bo, you were on the jury, you're the foreman, you basically saw all the evidence. So is there anything that has come out since your verdict that would make you change your mind about the guilt of Rivera in this case?
From what I read, personally, I'm not going to speak for the other jurors, but
Sure.
for myself, I personally think it would be the same. It's very hard from what I've read about, they had her in a trap house, etc., versus his testimony versus the actual evidence. It just doesn't really make any sense personally to myself. So if I had to make the decision, I would have kept it the same. It's very hard to realistically put all that together in a realistic timeline. How it seemed like they abducted her and kept her in a trap house for a little while. It doesn't really make any sense to me, as she was from all the evidence and everything that looked like that happened, it all happened all in the same time. So it was really hard to put together that she was somewhere for some time. So.
What's the most convincing evidence that you heard on, while you were a juror that points to the guilt of Rivera versus any other possibilities?
Yeah, so we had the blood in the car. He was there before she was, when she was alive, and then after she was alive. He was the only one that could bring anyone to her body, and he admitted that. So that was a lot of the key points there that brought it to that. So obviously we were missing a lot of key evidence, the murder weapon and time of death and things like that. But we were able to put the surrounding evidence together and come up with our decision based on that.
Right. Well, there's not a lot of Americans out there who've had the experience that you've had to sit on such a high-profile case, to hear all this, really the horrific details of this, crime. I'm sure it's had an emotional toll on you. What has been the effect of sitting on a trial like this and hearing this very sad story?
Yeah, it was very intense. It was very emotional. Even for I had no ties to Mollie, but I have a daughter of my own, and sometimes throughout the trial you kind of think to yourself, what if this was my child? What would I do? And it was tough sometimes, and it became part of our lives, for a couple of weeks, and it's still part of our lives now. So it was very emotional. It was tough, but when it came down to the end of the day, we kind of had to put that aside for us to make our decision. So. It was tough. It was emotional for, I believe, everybody. I don't think it was easy for anybody, but we got through it. So
yeah, you did, and it seems like you might have gotten the right guy there, despite the new evidence coming out. Although we'll get to hear more about that evidence as well. I see Mollie's smile, makes me just so sad. She's just going out for a jog. It's just a horrific story, and our hearts go out to her family, of course. So thank you, Bo, for joining us and for your insight. Very interesting.
Thank you so much.